Yeah. Gooniac crazy man. All right, guys, I'm coming.
Take off flaps.
I think Jack's going with us too. What? I bought mine used.
Okay, let's get rid of this now.
Yeah, take the pizza pan down. You have to loosen the screw.
Okay. Should I go first? Take it off.
Gear up, flaps up.
I think Jack's got one.
I don't have one. I have no butt burners.
No booty burner?
No butt burner for me. That thing's annoying now.
The pizza pan? That's why I'm standing way back here so it's out of my way. Is that Keon flying like a ding dong over there?
Yeah, I don't know. Something's wrong with it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there goes your IX. No, you don't have an IX. There's the X.
Oh, land. Yeah, it's loose. It came off. Your horn came off. Your horn came off. The aileron horn, the control horn.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You've only got one side working. I did, I heard it. Whoa, hello.
Oh, we're not that close. Don't worry. Give it a little. Yeah, look at that. That could be a. Oh, it's just. Oh my. Oh, the ball like it's just. The ball came off. Oh my God.
Oh my God, the balls are gone.
His balls are gone.
The ball's right here. Hey, you know what? It's down in one piece. All right. No, I'm like,
Time remaining 1 minute.
well, it's down in one piece. Yeah, my elevator's good. Look, I'm pulling up. This thing was down.
Okay, I'm doing a touch and go.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Wow.
I have those pieces if you need them. Go ahead, go ahead.
Flaps up. Gear up. 30 seconds.
I have all those pieces if you need it.
Do you actually? Because I don't know
Yeah,
where it is.
I have a ball here.
No, I have a ball, but I just need to screw
I have it. Yeah, I have it all.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Okay, should I land? I guess I'll land. Gear pass check and then land.
All right.
Unless somebody else has to land.
Nope, it's you. I'll be after you.
I'm going to run my motor down.
I'm doing a little passing it up.
I got to run my motor down.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Yeah. Bring it out. I can discharge my plane. I'll get out of this other taxi.
I'm going to do a touch and go, then land after you. Right here.
What happened?
1 minute over.
You landing?
I got lucky. The whole plane started fluttering.
You guys see this, right? Look how I landed it.
Right, Jet, we're going to pack up quickly. Oh, hey, hey. Let's go. Is this cool
Why?
night?
So I
Cold?
guess keep going.
Flaps up.
Actually, let me get my. Yeah, go to the next track. I'm not going to fly this one today, but if you have a screw, that would be awesome.
Let me look and see if I have them. I have all of it. I mean, I may not have. No, I've done it before. Was it? And it was just hanging.
No, because when I was doing this last time, when I pulled up, it kind of turned. My plane was way out of trim.
Yep. That's what it is.
Trimmed it.
Oh, look at that.
My